refers to that method in which Spearman has given the help of this preference of ranks to be given to the variable, not variable, rather attributes. Preferences are to be given, and those preferences are to be written numerically. Otherwise, it's difficult to assess numerically the attributes. Qualitative aspects not possible, but he has tried to make it possible with the help of preferences, and then those preferences are to be given some position. Position means some rank is to be given. So how is this possible? He has thought about three situations. One is when ranks are given to us, second, ranks are not given to us, and third is when ranks are getting repeated. So out of these three possible situations, we have just started with the first formula, when ranks are given. Means in the question, in the statement itself, ranks will be given to us. So we need to read the statement carefully. I think yesterday we have written this in a fancy dress competition. 2 judges according following ranks to 10 participants. So I am going to write that again. Judge X and second was Judge Y. Values of X 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And Judge Y, these are the values. Judge Y, he gave these ranks 10, 6, 5, 4, 10, 6, 5, 4, 7, 9, 8, 2, 7, 9, 8, 2, 1 and 3. 1 and 3. And the formula was RK. RK means coefficient of rank correlation. If simply R is written, that means coefficient of correlation. If K has been subscribed here, that means coefficient of rank correlation. This is equal to 1 minus 6 into sigma d square divided by n cube minus n, where n means number of pairs, already done yesterday. D means D is the difference between R1 minus R2. Okay? Now question arises ki where is the value of R1 and R2? Now we have to read the statement carefully and thoroughly. In the statement it is given that 2 judges have accorded these ranks. That means these are the ranks already given. So यहाँ से we will get a hint that these are the ranks given. So what to do? Ranks given by first judge, they can be mentioned as R1. Here you can write R1. एक लाइन ऊपर छोड़ देंगे, ऊपर लिख देना R1. Similarly, ranks given by second judge, they can be taken as R2. Okay? R1 means ranks given by first judge, his name is X. These are R2 means ranks given by second judge, his name is Y. कुछ भी नाम रखा हुआ है X and Y. Okay? Now next column required is B. B is equal to R1 minus R2. Simple difference. Now find out. Please do it on your notebook also. 1 minus 10 minus 9, 2 minus 6 minus 4, 3 minus 5 minus 4 minus 4 0, 5 minus 7 minus 2, 6 minus 9 minus 8 minus 1. Now 8 minus 2 6, 8 7. Okay? Minus sign is to be kept carefully. Whatever is coming, that is to be shown. Now B square. Very simple. Square of this column. Multiply the same number, same value. Minus 9 into minus 9. 81. All minus signs will become positive. Okay? So 81, then minus 4 into minus 4. 16. Then 4, 0, 4, 9, 1, 36, 64, 49. Now please find out sigma d square. 264. Sigma d square 264. Now n means number of pairs. Count the number of pairs. 10. Okay, n is 10. So put the values 1 minus 6 into sigma d square 264 divided by, this division is only of this part. Sometimes in a hurry we just put this sign below this one also. It's not dividing 1. It is only up to this part. Okay. N is 10. 10 cube minus 10. Here 10 cube means 10 into 10 into 10. 1000 minus 10. 990. 990. और ये कितना है? ये 1 is being divided by 1. Okay. This is equal to, multiply this. 1584 divided by 990. Now it is up to you. You can cancel these values if they are getting divided. If not, then take LCM. Okay, find out. As per your convenience, either you can divide. If they are getting cancelled, divide हो रहे हैं तो कर दो, नहीं तो LCM ले लो. Please don't wait for others. जतिन, what the answer? ठीक है, आंसर कितना है?
1.6.
1.6. Is it okay?
माइनस कर
Minus 1.6.
यहाँ से माइनस करना है 1 माइनस 1
उसका 1.6 है.
I am asking for the final answer.
Minus 0.6.
Minus 0.6. Minus 0.6. Now here we have to pay attention. Now we don't have to interpret anything. That interpretation is related to Karl-Pearson method. Here we cannot say that there is negative correlation. We can say, but it is not compulsory or required. Otherwise, with the help of negative sign, we can assess that both the judges are having inverse attitude, inverse judgment. But if they are not moving in the same direction, they are having different viewpoints. Minus means this thing. Is it clear बेटा? ठीक है? नेक्स्ट देखिए. अभी इसके क्वेश्चन फिर बाद में करेंगे बिकॉज रिकॉर्डिंग इज ऑल्सो गोइंग ऑन. सो पहले सेकंड मेथड कर लेते हैं, उसके बाद वी विल डू प्रैक्टिस ऑफ बोथ टाइप्स ऑफ मेथड्स. नाउ नेक्स्ट हेडिंग, व्हेन रैंक्स आर नॉट गिवन. अप टू दिस पार्ट इज इट क्लियर? जस्ट रीड इसका आंसर सबको क्लियर है? सेकंड हेडिंग प्लीज नोट डाउन. फॉर्मूला इज सेम. अगर रैंक्स आर नॉट गिवन तो इन दैट केस फर्स्टली वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट रैंक्स. वी अवरसेल्व्स वी हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ R1 कॉलम, R2 कॉलम, देन फिर D स्क्वायर. रेस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स आर सेम. चलो लेट अस ट्राई टू डू वन क्वेश्चन. हाँ जी, प्लीज नोट डाउन. इन ए पोएट्री रेसिटेशन कॉम्पिटिशन or any competition of your choice, whatever you want to write. In a poetry recitation competition, 10 participants were accorded मतलब given. 10 participants were accorded following marks by not ranks. Got the word? Accorded following marks by two different judges X and Y. By two different judges X and Y. Then make two columns. Column X means judge X, he has given these marks: 15, 17, 14, 13, 11, 12, 16, 18, 10, 9. And judge Y has given these marks: 15, 12, 4, 15, 12, 4, 6, 7, 9, 3, 10, 2, 5. 10, 2, 5. Please write the values carefully. Y values are, marks are 15, 12, 4, 6, 7, 9, 3, 10, 2 and 5. First of all, calculate the number of pairs. How many pairs are given? 10. 10. Check कर लीजिए. 10. So here on any side you can write n is equal to 10. Now read the line carefully. These are the marks. ठीक. Now we have to calculate ranks first. So how to do that? ये judge X, इसको नंबर कर लेते हैं. We can number it 1 and this is number 2. Now we have to find ranks given by first judge. ठीक है. इस फर्स्ट जज ने जो रैंक मार्क्स दिए हैं उनको रैंक्स में चेंज करना है. नाउ हाउ टू स्टार्ट दैट? जस्ट लाइक वी कैलकुलेट पोजीशंस ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स इन द क्लास रिजल्ट. Highest marks, the student who is getting highest marks is given which position? First position, first rank. Now see which is the highest value in this? 18. तो in front of 18 write 1. सबसे ज्यादा मार्क्स है तो this student, this person should get first rank. In front of this write 1. Now after 18, which is the second highest? 17. So the student who has got 17 marks, he or she should be given which rank? Second rank. So in front of 17, 2. Okay. Now after 17 what comes? 16. So in front of 16 what should be right? 3. Third rank. In the same manner, find for all. 16 के बाद 15 fourth rank, 14 fifth rank, 13 sixth rank, 12 7th rank, 11 8th rank, 10 9th rank, and 9 marks वाला बच्चा he will get 10th rank. Okay. Now only attention point to be paid attention. In your book I think या in some other books they start from lowest marks. जिसके मार्क्स कम है उसको फर्स्ट रैंक इज बीइंग गिवन. आपने ऐसे नहीं करना है. You have to see the student who is getting maximum marks, he or she, that person should be given first rank. Highest value is to be given first rank. You have to move in this manner. Am I clear? ठीक है. Now same way find R2. R2 means judge Y from the judgment of judge Y. Now we have to calculate second ranks. Again now in this column what is the highest value? 15. So it should get first rank. In front of 15, 1. Then after that 12, second rank. Or 10, third rank. 9, fourth rank. 8 नहीं है, 7, fifth rank. 6th, sixth rank. After that 4 and 5. 5 should get 7th rank. 4, 8th rank. 3, 9th rank. 2, 10th rank. Clear बेटे? ठीक है. I am repeating. जिनको clear हो गया very good. जिनको नहीं पता चला they can see again. In this second column, given marks given by judge Y, highest marks are 15. So rank is 1. In front of this we have written 1. फिर 15 के बाद what comes in this column? आपने ये नहीं कहना कि 15 के पहले फिर 14 आता है, वो तो आता ही है, बट we have to pay attention to this column which is given. तो यहाँ पर in this column what is coming after 15? 12. मतलब उसके नीचे वैल्यू है 12. तो it will be given second rank. Then 12 के बाद 10 third rank. फिर 9 fourth rank. And in the same manner all ranks are been according. Okay? Now this is the additional step which we have followed. In the previous question what was there? These two columns are already given in the statement. Here we are ourselves we are calculating. But only this is the difference. Rest all things are same. Now same manner find D. R1 minus R2. Then D square column. Now please calculate yourself. I am not going to do. Find sigma D square. 86. All please find fast.
86.
Okay. R1 minus R2. Now these two columns have become useless. X, Y. Now these are useless. इनका कोई use नहीं रहा हम लोगों का. We have to see these two columns only. Okay, so sigma D square is coming out to be 86. We have 86. Now put this value in the formula. This is equal to 1 minus 6 into 86 divided by 10 is 10. 10 cube minus 10, that is 990. ये 1 is being divided by 1. This is equal to. Now please calculate yourself. सक्षम करिए. 7 कुछ करके 32 का आंसर. Let others also do. You can divide or you can directly take LCM as you feel comfortable. Plus or minus 0.4. 0.4. Those who can calculate up to second decimal point, very good. Otherwise 0.4 plus 0.4. Clear? This is the second step. बस